So much water in this canned tomatoes. Is it called tomatoes or tomatoes? Anyone. So this is what I used, and I am trying to dry it up. And here is my chicken, and yeah, trying to prepare Nigerian jollof rice because I am Nigerian. Yeah, so I don't know how long it's going to take me, but it's been on fire for about 5 minutes now, so I'll give it another 5 minutes and see if it will dry up, and I'll proceed in making my jollof rice. Wow. This is can you see, 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna do like two and a half cups of rice. Let's do this and a half. So I add my boiling or boiled water to it. I think this is the fastest method. You don't have to parboil, just wash it with very boiled water and just add it to your tomato sauce, and voila. So I'm going to wash this and then add it to my sauce. So here is my tomato sauce. You can see it's fried already and it's looking good. So I'm going to add my washed rice. Yeah, just gonna add my washed rice and cover it with an aluminium foil, and then the pot lid, and then let it boil or cook. I have mixed the sauce and the rice, and because the rice wasn't parboiled, I have to add like loads of water. Yeah, although I'll keep checking it from time to time, but yeah, I think I should add more. Yeah, and then I'll have to taste it for salt and pepper. Hey, pepper, Jesus Christ, have mercy on me. I have to taste it for salt and pepper, and yeah, that's all. Meanwhile, my chicken is still in the oven, so that is it for now. I've just added two, you can see them, 2 bay leaves, and I'm going to turn on my gas again because I turned it off to mix it. I'll turn on my gas, then I'll cover this with a foil. All covered, that's the foil. Yeah, so I have to wait for it. Everywhere is looking messy. That's fine. So I have to wait, just be checking on it for, I'll leave it to boil for about 5 minutes, and I'll check it and stir it. Guys, this is what the rice looks like. Although some part is burnt. So one quick fact. I think the secret to your Nigerian pot jollof, as in the taste and everything, texture, the look, everything is this, the foil. Aside all your ingredients that are top notch, like on point, just try and use the foil, and then on low heat, like really low heat, and you would love the result. This is not the end result. I'll still cover it more. Because it still has a little bit of moist. So I'll cover it more to make it a little bit dry. And voila, that's my jollof rice.